Would you like to consistently make profits in crypto and start realizing those sweet gains that you're seeing all over the news? Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about multiple projects, some of which haven't even launched yet, giving you the opportunity to learn about them first and how you can take advantage of this bull run before time runs out. So if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach. Let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. So make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with a new video. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please know that everything that I say is not financial advice, and these videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. In full disclosure, we do own some of the cryptocurrencies that I will be speaking about in today's video. And if this video gets 5,000 likes within the first 24 hours, we will do a very special giveaway for our YouTube community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. Two of the hottest narratives right now at the time of this recording in crypto have to be AI and gaming. And this first altcoin I want to share with you that hasn't even hit the market yet is capitalizing on both of these. And the name of this project is Aether. Now, Aether is a scalable, decentralized cloud infrastructure for gaming and AI. And if you did not know, AI is powered by something called GPUs. This stands for Graphics Processing Unit, and they're used for a wide range of applications, including graphics and video rendering. And with the growth of AI and the exponential growth of companies like Nvidia, who is now the #1 GPU provider today and who has also reached new all-time highs of over a $2 trillion evaluation for their stock, making it one of the largest companies in the world today, the demand for GPUs has never been higher and is currently outpacing the current supplies. Now, this is where Aether comes in. Aether has a lot of GPUs and is currently one of the cheapest suppliers of cloud computing for companies, especially AI as well as gaming. But that's not all. You see, there's other AI projects in crypto today. One of the top ones is BitTensor, and they are in dire need of GPUs and for a project like Aether to really help them expand. So unlike a lot of crypto projects that kind of just talk but don't really actually walk the walk, there's actually a real use case here with Aether, and this is a hot trending sector, and we've seen how much demand there really truly is for these GPUs. The full disclosure, I am an early investor in this project, and truthfully, it's for good reason. But I also want to give back to my community here as much as possible, and we've been able to secure some whitelist spots for the Aether node sale. All you have to do is click the links down below in the description, and the snapshot has been completed and the public node sale has been confirmed. The snapshot did take place on March 14th at 6 a.m. UTC, and there's going to be 100,000 nodes available with 15% of the total token supply available for nodes. Now, the whitelist sale will begin on March 18th through the 19th at 10 a.m. UTC. So if my link is not working right now, it may be because it hasn't been March 18th or 19th yet. So I make these videos even earlier so that you can prepare. And that's why you smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Because here on this channel, we give you alpha like no one else and before anyone else. And then the main event, the public sale, will kick off on March 20th at 10 a.m. UTC. Now, the snapshot just basically got the price of Ethereum, so that way when they go do the node sale, they kind of can have everything tracked, and it keeps it fair depending upon the pricing. So more information is going to be coming. Make sure to check this out. And I've heard a few other influencers talking about Aether, and they've been very bullish as well. So that gives me even more confidence to share this project with you. And maybe we'll do even a deeper dive into this a little bit later, but we have a lot more projects to get into. The second one being Manta Pacific. Now, I want to share Manta Pacific again with you because they're doing another reward program. According to their Twitter, Manta Network Reward Program is the largest modular L2, offering even larger rewards of 3 million Manta and rewarding from over 11 participating ecosystem projects that are going to be up for grabs. Now, Manta Atlantic is already live, and they've already done a airdrop, and also you had the chance earlier, as I made a video about this about a month or two ago, to participate in that. This is a little bit different, but they already have a lot of ecosystem featured projects like QuickSwap, Aperture Finance, Apollo, and many others here, even Dodo, Binance, and other third parties, which to me shows that this ecosystem is growing quite nicely. And I want to help each and every one of you potentially get a piece of their new rewards. So I have 8 unique codes right now. The link for these will be in the description, and I'm actually going to post this in real time over on my Twitter. So this is going to go out before the video actually goes live. So again, these videos take time to record and then edit and then get to you. But if you go over to my Twitter, I will post this right now and you can see live in real time. I have now posted this and the code. So by the time that you're watching this, these codes may already be gone. Hopefully we can get more codes in the future so that more of you can join this rewards program. But I did want to share with you now, the codes are out, they're in the wild, but I would double check these to see if someone hasn't claimed one yet. Now these different ecosystem projects are going to be bringing massive rewards to Manta. You can stake WUSDM, Stone, and Manta and get additional rewards on top of the ecosystem projects on Manta Pacific. Each project has a percentage of the allocation of their token for the token supply growth. So you can see some of these projects here like ZeroLens, Shoebill, Layer Bank. A lot of these are going to be giving away a total amount of their supply, and all you're going to need to do in order to earn this supply is to deposit your Manta and start staking. If you're able to do this, there's the chance then you're able to get into some of these new projects airdrops, and that can be amazing depending upon what you stake, how much you stake. There's a lot of different nuances and details to this, so make sure to go over to the X account and really educate yourself so you understand exactly how all of this works. Now there's also going to be, on top of all of those potential bonuses, fixed yield on Stone and WUSDM. There's a lot of opportunity here with this if you understand DeFi, because again, the tokens between some of these, between Ethereum and Stone, are actually a little bit different, and I want you to understand that there's arbitrage opportunities and there's a lot of different things there. But for most of you who are probably a little bit newer to this, I wanted to share with you the rest of what is going on here, which is sticking towards just simply the 3 types of eco staked assets for staking on the Manta Reward Paradigm program. This is going to be regular wrapped ERC20s. Imagine iManta from Layer Bank, special ERC20s like Chip and many others, and then ERC721s, LP, and NFTs. And not only that, there's going to be also many other new Paradigm NFT rewards. So you could get NFT rewards, you can get token rewards. There's so many different rewards for this. And again, using your Manta tokens and having Manta tokens is something that can really pay off in the long run if these other projects launch and do very, very well. So I wanted to share this with you now, because if you already hold Manta, or you haven't bought Manta yet, or you want to actually participate in this, all you would need to do is click on the search bar here, type in Manta, and then from there you can see the Manta network. Now you can see at the time of this recording, one Manta token is sitting at $3.37. And this is where if you wanted to buy this crypto, simply click on the market tab, and then you could buy this on Binance, MEXC, Gate.io, and many other different exchanges, even KuCoin. You can buy this on Bitvaro as well as many others. So again, then you would take that Manta, connect your wallet, head on over, read the steps here, stake that token, and you can start earning some sweet rewards with their renewed paradigm. So again, there's a lot of different steps there, so make sure to do your own research and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Remember, I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or trade any of these assets, just simply sharing with you here and educating you about what these opportunities are in crypto. Now, our third project is one that we've spoken about a few times called Linea Park. Now, Linea Park, if you don't know, is a project backed by ConsenSys, which is the company behind MetaMask, which is one of the most popular Web3 wallets today. Now, if you come to Linea Park, this is where you can complete a lot of different social tasks in order to earn some reward points. Now, I've gone through some demonstrations. I've actually earned, I think, a total of 30 XP points myself just going through this. And again, I wanted to let you know, because more has been opened up for you to actually play around with. You can see now that in the Linea Park, you have the RPG MMO, the action strategy, they have their referral zone and their VIP zone, the social world, the experience, the East is now open. Now, next is going to be the Gala and the NFT land, and that's going to be it. So there's only 6 weeks. I think the first 4 or 5 weeks now are already open. And just a reminder that yes, this is open. However, you will need to execute the proof of humanity and follow them on Twitter and Discord, connecting your wallet. I have a full dedicated video that I actually made on YouTube about this. So I'm not going to repeat myself and go through everything that I did, but make sure to check out that video if you want to join the Linea Voyage. This is a way for you to potentially earn some sweet XP points, which don't have any value right now, but there is a potential that those XP points turn into something into the future. Now, our next project I'm going to be speaking about is one I shared about a month ago on YouTube, Jupiter and Jupiter's airdrop. I made a video literally 1 month ago saying that you could qualify for the $2 billion airdrop and turn $0 into $1 million. And that's exactly what one 17-year-old actually ended up doing. This guy ended up making $1 million in the Jupe airdrop. In fact, now at the time of this recording, you can see the Jupiter price is sitting at $1.17 a token. And when we made this video, it's sitting right around 40 to 50 cents. So congratulations if you've been paying attention here on this channel, because we gave you Jupiter literally when it bottomed here at 40 to 50 cents. And Jupiter was, first off, the biggest airdrop in Solana's history. And there's also going to be more future airdrops for Jupiter in the future, or at least there's rumored to be. You can see the monthly volume in Jupiter is absolutely skyrocketed, and this is why we've also seen a lot of volume and different things happening over on Solana. Why? There's new meme coins, a lot of different things happening, as well as the price of Solana has absolutely skyrocketed to over $187 a token. So now you might be asking, well, how do I qualify for the next Jupiter airdrop? Well, I made that full video here and I walk you through step by step how to actually do this. So again, I'll walk you through briefly here, but make sure to check out this video for even more. What you want to do is go to jupe.ag. Then you want to connect your wallet. Now, I recommend using the Phantom wallet, or if you don't have a wallet, you click on more wallets. You can click on different ones here that you can connect to. And this is where you want to start actually using Jupiter. So swapping, limit orders, DCAing, using the bridge, as well as perpetuals if you would like to. Again, I'm not telling you what to do here. I'm just educating you as always. But if you keep playing around and you keep actually, putting in a lot of volume and doing a variety of these different things, there's a chance, not a guarantee, that you may qualify for next Jupiter airdrops. And again, people who do this, like this young lad who was doing this Jupiter stuff every single day and putting in tons of volume, I believe, you could earn potentially millions of dollars in these Jupiter tokens, and they've been very, very valuable. So I wanted to show you here again that Jupiter has done very, very well and is up over 30% at the time of this recording. And other tokens that's also done very well that are up is WEN. Now, WEN is the meme coin basically created by Jupiter's team. And this one too has gone parabolic since we talked about this about a month or two ago. You'd be up over a 3x on your money, if not a 10x from when we actually shared this with you. So congratulations if you've been here on this channel. Make sure to smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell so that you can keep coming back to these videos to learning even more and getting this sweet alpha absolutely free. I really greatly appreciate all of your support. Now, the next project I wanted to share with you that you're really early to is one called Particle Network. Now, this is the first account abstraction protocol on Bitcoin using Bitcoin Connect. Also, the modular L1 powering chain abstraction, really trying to unify all of the different blockchains under one house using their wallet. Now, with their wallet abstraction, this is going to unify asset storage and transactions across Bitcoin, SVM, EVM, and IBC networks using a universal account. So right now in crypto, especially if you start really buying and selling and trading a lot of these crypto assets, they're on multiple different blockchains. You need different wallets, you need different exchanges, you need centralized, decentralized, whatever it might be to get some of these coins. And this is where you need to have different wallets and different setups. Well, what Particle Network is doing with their wallet is they're basically achieving seamless interoperability via a universal gas token, removing the need for users to own multiple tokens and gas as well. See, for example, if you're using Polygon's blockchain, you need Matic as the gas token. If you're on Ethereum, you need the Ethereum cryptocurrency. If you're on the Binance Smart Chain, you need BNB. But with their gas abstraction, you could just pay with one token and then you can use it across all of the different chains. That's really smart, really helpful, and very, very innovative, and something I've not seen yet. Now, they also have a massive user base and strong community driving Particle Network's modular ecosystem. Now, I believe if you use the Particle wallet, there may be a chance for you to earn some sweet airdrop tokens if you're one of the first ones to do so. Now, again, please make sure that you have the correct Particle wallet. And I would not upload a lot of money into this, especially in the beginning, because there's a lot of risk when it comes to using new things in crypto. But once you feel a little bit more comfortable, this is where I believe early testers of this wallet could potentially earn some very sweet rewards. And it's something I wanted to share with you here today. Now, last but certainly not least, a project that I've shared many, many times here, as well as a wallet, is gotta be MetaMask. Now, if you go to MetaMask's dashboard for their portfolio, if you click on the buy button, this is where you can buy a variety of different cryptocurrency assets. This is the Binance chain. You can see all the different cryptos here. If you wanted to do, debit or credit card, simply just connect your MetaMask wallet, and then you are actually able to put some of this into your crypto wallet. Now, you also can sell, you can also swap, and you can also bridge, stake, and send and receive. And I believe if you do a lot of this through the MetaMask portfolio, there's an opportunity, if they end up doing some sort of giveaway or airdrop or something in the future, future. This is where I believe they're going to be focusing a lot of their attention, and I wanted to share it with you here today as another bonus. So there you go. There are multiple different platforms for you to get ahead in crypto, and a lot of them, they're either free or you have early access, as well as some amazing opportunities now that most people aren't even paying attention to. So for more videos like this, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Also, keep coming back to the channel as these videos are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Good luck. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next ones.